This is a GMP model of a 1971 Pontiac GTO Judge. Of the die-cast cars that I've seen, GMP is like the pinnacle of with Pontiac. They have some of the best Pontiacs. But I've also got a GMP that's a Dodge, so I guess from my experience, GMP is the best, top of the line for the muscle cars. So let's unbox this 71 Pontiac GTO Judge. So with the Pontiac GMP boxing, it's a little more detailed. It's got a lot of information. It has a picture of the car. It comes in a display sort of base, or you can display it, I guess, with a plastic top on it and some tissue paper. Now, how to unwrap this? Okay, let's see about unwrapping this. Kitty cat, what are you doing? It's not for you. Well, you know cats like boxes, right? Yeah, well, this cat's no exception. Okay. So I've got the GTO out of the wrapping. Again, the detail on this car is spot on. You can see in the interior, the seat belts, the detail of the interior is very good. So you got seat belts. Looks like a Pontiac dual gate shifter. It's hard to say. No, it's just a standard Pontiac shifter. But yeah, nice interior. The door's open. And there's inside the trunk. Let's look underneath it, see what the detail's like. So the detail is good. It doesn't have the gas lines. Oh wait, maybe it does. It does. It has the brake. So you can see, you can just make out the I guess brake lines. You can see that there's brake lines going to the front calipers, the copper wire there. Yeah, it's good detail. It's not as good as the exact detail. Doesn't have all of the lines. Here's what it looks like under the hood. The detail is good. You can see some wires, the air cleaner. The washer bottle is down there. It's a good detail. There's a shot from the back. You can see the wing, the judge detail on the trunk lid. Yeah, it's a nice car. I like the bright white color, and it looks really good. And the Pontiac wheels. Well, that's the unboxing and looking at the GMP 71 Pontiac GTO Judge. Thanks for watching.